dirty, honey.
Okay, we're going to put the chicken in there because the chicken's got what?
A prolapsed vent.
Okay, so here we go. This is our little secret to soak the chicken. Because we're going to soak it for like at least a half an hour, and then you don't have to hold the chicken.
Here, Skylar. Can you put that ring around her neck? Carefully.
There we go. Look at that. Easy as that. Look at that. Chicken's got a sweet little hot tub going. See? Wow. Now we're going to put some tape on it. And then we'll rinse the poopy butt off. Rinse the vent off. Poopy vent. Clean her up. Really good way to do this. FYI. All right.
No ruler.
She pecked at his nose.
All right. Have a good day.
Our dog was a chicken.